Being involved while you're in college benefits you by gaining those pre-professional skills, such as leadership skills, social skills, things like that. You need to be able to gain those kinds of experiences. You're also learning what kind of situations you work best in, what kind of things do you really enjoy doing. Me personally, I really thought I knew what my major was going to be and what my career field was going to be, but by getting involved as a college student, I found an entirely different career path that I would have never thought of had I not gotten involved while I was in school. So you never know what's going to come across your path, and you want to open yourself up to those new experiences. But I think it's also, that's definitely going to benefit you by being involved while you're in college, along with all the skills and the experiences that you're going to gain. Student involvement is going to only help you be successful. You're learning great things in the classroom, but when you graduate, people want to know that you've had practical experience putting that into use. So pursuing opportunities to get involved on campus is going to give you an opportunity to get that experience that you want to say, okay, I listed this on my resume. I have this experience. This is how I could best help your company. I've already planned events. I've already oversaw an executive board. I've already learned how to manage a budget, things like that. So it gives that student practical knowledge to be able to apply to everything they're learning in the classroom.